Hello everyone. Today we talk about another lecture. This is Chinese called Bang. Okay, it has 6 characters in this lecture section. Okay, the first tone is Bang is 1 character. In the third tone, Bang has the 2 character. This is the first tone has 3 characters. Okay. First we have the Bang. Okay. So this word has 2 parts. Okay, the left part is the wood. Okay, the right part is like a wooden flail. Okay, so his meaning means in ancient death row, the wooden plaque on the offender's head. Okay, around the offender to make them that's the like a handcuff. So the first meaning, okay, condemned tie back, okay, the wooden plaque on the offender and the jailers, prisoners, okay. Billboard, okay, plaque. Okay. It's another word, Bang. So this word has 2 parts, okay. So left part means people, so the right part means next to each other, okay. So it means people close to each other, okay. Bang. The first meaning means people close to each other. Second meaning verb, close to the border, near the boundary. Third meaning approach a period of time. Bang. Another Bang, okay. The first Bang. So his left part means word, say. The right part means to punish. So his meaning means slander. Okay, slander. Attack someone with slanders. Bang. There's another Bang with a third tone. Bang. Okay. There's another word. Bang. It's another word. Okay. This word has 2 parts. His left part means meet, music. His right part means next to the side. So his meaning means the back side of the music. Okay, the music will connect to the shoulder and the chest. Okay, in the back. Okay, on the bird, on the bird. Okay. His first meaning means the musical connects the shoulder and the arm. Okay. Second meaning in the bird wings. Third meaning a pelvic bladder. Yeah, we use this now. Like a bladder. Okay. Musical organ can be opened and closed for storage of the urine. It's bladder. Okay. It's a Bang. It's the first tone. It's Bang. This word has 2 parts. Okay, the top part means vegetation. The bottom part means the border. Okay, so his meaning means vegetable show the territory boundaries. Okay. The first meaning in ancient princes of the country, manner built territory. Second meaning military economic independence of the country. Okay, thank you for watching.